Hi there. Today is our professional development day at St. Lawrence. I am attending the one-to-one conference today. I'm presenting on 10 strategies to engage students. So that's where I am today. So I want to go over with you your requirements for today's Technology Professional Development Day, even though I'm not here. You may work in your rooms. Ted said that he will be around to check on everyone and make sure everybody's on task and doing what they need to do. So I have emailed you a spreadsheet, a slideshow that has the directions for today's professional development for you. So I'll go over that a little bit. First thing you're going to do is you're going to learn about the SAMR model. And SAMR stands for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. And those are the levels of technology integration. And it's our goal, or something we should shoot for, is to be in the higher levels of that, which is modification and redefinition. That's a higher intense technology integration that involves thinking skills, where the technology has redefined or changed and offered more highlights and those kinds of things, features that you couldn't get just from pencil paper. Like the technology lends itself to creating a richer learning environment for your students. So there's several slides. There's 6 slides on the SAMR model, kind of giving you an idea of what they're like. The next thing that you'll do is that you'll give an example of each of those levels in a spreadsheet. And I have a link in the PowerPoint for you in the presentation. So click on the link. There's a column. There's columns and rows, and your name is on them. And if for some reason you're joining us and don't see your name, just add your name at the bottom. No big deal. And then give an example of each of the areas of technology integration. And I don't know what to say there. Okay, then the next thing that you're going to work on is the lesson plan template. Now, I have shared that with you through Google Classroom, but sometimes they didn't go through for some reason. So if you don't find it in your Google Drive, it should probably be under Shared with Me, and it will be titled Technology Core Tech Standard Lesson Plan 2015-16. Make sure you look for that 15-16 because that's this year's template and not a year in the past. If you didn't get it from Google Classroom, I also included a link to Google Classroom and then the class code so you can get in and do it that way as well. Just make sure that that lesson is shared with me, the lesson plan template. Fill that out during your professional development time during these 2 hours. Get that done with and submitted to me so that at least that part of your lesson is completed. Some of you I know have already done your lesson. That's fine. Fill it out. Some of you are still going in the process of figuring out what you want to do yet, and others are ready when I come back to have me observe your lesson. So wherever you are, let's get that lesson plan filled out today so that you have that crossed off. Next, after you get your lesson plan done, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the next slide in your presentation. It's You Can Book Me is the title of it. This is a website that's connected directly to my Google calendar. So when I have appointments in my calendar, when I enter them, it will be blocked off on You Can Book Me. Same thing when you book a time for me to observe, it goes right on my Google Calendar and it blocks that time off for anyone else to schedule an observation as well. So this is a great place for you to schedule a time with me. Again, I don't need to be there for every section, all your sections. I just need to be there for one. One class is fine. And I'm observing you again on the levels of the SAMR scale and what kind of technology integration is being used in your classroom. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. I'm collecting that data. I have been the last couple of years, and I'm collecting again just to kind of show growth, show where we're going. Very last thing that you'll do then is fill out an exit ticket for this professional development session, and that's just Google form. There's a link in the presentation for you to click on and fill that out. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, you can email me. I will be off and on in my email while I'm at the conference, and then also I will be back the following days if you have any questions. So good luck, and I hope that you find some valuable use of this time to get your lesson completed. Thank you.